Wow! Artistic tilting is life! What is up mga ma'am sir? Alex here from I Am Kokak. No, this is ang ating extras channel, Big Time Show extras channel, or the Technoclast extras channel. Today we're unboxing a Instax. Sorry, there's a wire here that I keep messing up. An Instax, a Fujifilm Instax Mini LiPlay. This is a new, very sleek new mini Instax that is super portable, super nice in the hand, and also it uses mini film. Obviously, so Instax Mini is one of the most popular Instax films. So it comes in 10 packs of 10, and they usually cost about 350 pesos per roll of 10 like this. And they are super popular. They are the more affordable Instax. So there's the Instax Square, and this is the Instax Mini. So this is a pretty cool one. This has confetti. So if you once you print on these, you get confetti sort of designs on the paper. So that's cool. I don't know how much the confetti ones are, but they can't be that more expensive. So Instax. The Instax LiPlay costs 9,899. So it's actually super affordable. 10,000 pesos for a nice little portable camera. It even has, it actually has app support, but I'm using my phone to record right now, so it's not gonna do the thing. So we have a warranty thing, good. We have the hand strap, which I will actually use. So let's remove the little plastic thing. There we go. And then we take the box out like this, and looks like we have a, what do we have down here? Is that a power brick? No, it's a, is it a power brick? No, it's just a USB to micro. So it has the ferrite coil, which is crazy because that is sort of an expensive accessory to charging cables. So we have some paperwork right here. Sorry, I'm messing it up. Instax Mini LiPlay smartphone app. So this is a cool app because the Instax Mini LiPlay not only takes digital photos, it can print selectively, so it doesn't have to print every single photo. But it also has an application, an app that you can use to record sound and upload the sound, and then you can watch and then record, play back the sound by sharing a QR code like this. You can use the app to shoot with your LiPlay if you put the LiPlay on a tripod. And then you can change the settings with the app or print from your phone. This is a good feature because you can print literally any photo from your phone. So it doesn't have to be taken by the Instax, which is a cool feature, and you can download the app for iOS and Android. So that's that. We got contact information, and then we got, ooh, a thicky boy. What is this? Doesn't say what it is. It's like instruction guide, maybe user guide. Yeah, user's guide, safety precautions in English. So it's not, I'm gonna hurry. So open the guy up, and then we have our Instax right there. So I told you it's, I think, the smallest Instax currently available. And yes, we do have the champagne, what is it, was it the color? Blush gold. So, gotta represent, or oh, the plastic's peeling off. So let's just fully peel off the plastic here. So it looks like a slightly thick boy digital camera if you hold it like this, but it's not the way you hold the Instax. The Instax is held upright, so you hold it like this, and then this is the shutter button. So crazy, huh? You have to hold it kind of like this. This is where your thumb goes. It has a thumb rest like there, and then you click it with your index finger over here, kind of like that. Okay, and this is the film release. I'm not going to release the film because I have used this. I printed some, It's over there in my table over there. I can't show you right now. Actually, I'll pick it up later. There's an micro SD card in here to store the photos you already took. And I can show you some photos that were already taken. And then here are buttons, back, play, print, menu OK. And then this is a directional button pad. And then this is where the print goes out. And the charging port. Couple of buttons here, power buttons, and then presets 1, 2, 3, and then lanyard port, and then in front we have the way to turn on the microphone recording. We have the selfie mirror here that doesn't do anything except being a mirror. We have an LED light here which sort of works as a flash but also is a charging light, our shutter button, and of course our lens right there. So let's turn this bad boy on. Right there, boom, and there it is, Instax. So it boots up like so, and then you have a menu. I guess it's hard to record the menu, huh? Whoa, that's not gonna be easy, is it? Get the brightness down. So there's a bunch of options here. Maybe we can just zoom in and then lower the, yeah, there we go. So self-timer off. You can put in a self-timer to maybe take a selfie of yourself. Let's actually try that right now. I am not particularly well groomed today, and you can't even see me taking a photo of myself. There you go. There we go. So it did, there was a flash. Hey, not bad. So play back here. So we can print that. Actually, let's print it right now. Print. So this is what happens when you print something. It comes out the top. And then you don't have to shake it. The film does its job, just needs a little bit of light. So that's what it does. And I think I should have 2 more rolls of film in this one. If you want to go back to shooting mode, you just press the shutter button again, just like a typical camera. And you can select a filter, you know, stylish, vivid, fisheye, stuff like that. No filter, and then frame. You want any antlers, stripes, and stuff like that. So you can do a lot of things, fun things with the frame. And of course, you can have, obviously, self-timer. There's a bunch of things I don't know yet. Let's go to the menu. So you can see here, exposure, print settings. And yeah, QR code position, because the QR code is used for the audio thing. So when you record audio, so if you want to do that, actually, let me see if I can show you some of the audio that I recorded. Yeah, see, here's some of my photos here at the Instax event. So bear with me, I'm trying to figure. So there should be playback. So let's start. That's me playing Initial D. It's too bad there's not a lot of you can hear, but I was racing Initial D while that was recording. So it's a cool thing. And then somebody was playing on pinball. It's pretty loud back there, so no, you know, probably not best example of how this works out, but that's what it does. And then you can adjust playback volume, blah, blah, blah. It's a pretty good feature if you want to share, you know, audio, like audio messages. You know, take a photo of yourself saying a message and then send the QR code to a friend, or send the photo with a QR code. So you can print photos of yourself with the QR code. Very, very cool. I don't know what else I can tell you about it. It does have, like I saw earlier, it has a flash. It comes in a couple of colors, and actually this is obviously the champagne gold one. It should be in the box. Let me see. No, there's no other color examples in the box, unfortunately. There's a cool like black one and other colors that are, you know, if you're a dude bro, you can definitely rock a Instax LiPlay. But this is perfectly fine for me. You know, it's probably not the first choice of color for me, but that's fine. I'm testing it out. I'm liking it. We're gonna rock a strap, and then we're gonna use some of the film later on. Give me 1 second, I'll show you the photos I've taken. Actually, you already saw it from just playing back here, so I'm gonna end the video by just showing you some of the photos I've taken with the Instax Mini LiPlay. So one of the cool things, like I said, is if you pair it with your phone, you can actually share a photo from your phone to the LiPlay, and the LiPlay will print it into one of these. And that's great because it doesn't have to be a photo taken by the Instax Mini LiPlay. So it is a portable printer for pretty much any photo if that's how you're gonna use it. And that's a great way to, like, oh, okay, somebody took a family photo, and now you want to print it for your other family members, right? So just save it on your phone or send it over Bluetooth, send it to an Instax app, and then print them with, you know, maybe fun confetti around it, and that's how you have a memento for the occasion. Anyway, that's that Instax Mini LiPlay, 10,000 pesos, 9999. I will try to make a better video for our main channel, but that's it for the unboxing, the super quick unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.